Purple flower, and it flowers like 3 or 4 times for the year, and it offers great cover, shade, shade from the sun. Right. It also attracts worms because it does the pollinating for the bees and all of that. So it attracts a lot of caterpillars that turns to butterfly at certain time of the year. It's something to see. It is something to see. And when that time comes and you see the caterpillars are like dropping, it's like, woo! Yeah, right.
It's nice to stay here somewhere.
Right. So there's a shade at all times. And of course, these are some potted plants that we have. Local, yeah.
For cooking?
No. These are just for beautification purposes. Flower. This is the coleus. That's coleus. It's like velvet leaf. Right. That's coleus. Yeah. And you know the Jamaican cherry?
We can eat now.
Yes, this is it. Yes. Let me see if I find you one that doesn't have. Yes, you can. There is cherries. These aren't good either. There's another one back there that should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna go up to the chicken. Let's go look at the chicken. Let's go feed the chicken.
Touristic guide.
Be careful. What's that, the papaya? Yellow? Going through the farm.
But they have enough place.
Right. Yeah, so I'm going to go in now. And I'm going to go feed the chicken. Can you go over? Okay. Alright.
And you have eggs?
Yes.
Every day?
With eggs. You want something?
You don't need to buy. Where is the elephant and the horse?
These are the earrings. Jamaican, the ones that goes out and pick up their called earrings. Then you have to breadfruit. But these are right. These are
Okay.
yeah. I don't say the ones that they make, but not the
Here's the famous ackee tree.
No ackee?
no ackee. Yes. Not the seeds. Yes. Yes, every day we see a couple of apples up there, but they're not ready. But sometimes, if you're not here early enough, you see they make a mess of the egg. Just one now. Yes, they're big eggs. All these eggs. Oh, this is called jackfruit. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is jackfruit. The local fruit is called jackfruit.
We have chicken. My favorite
Jackfruit. Well, this
We
is
eat it, this one in Jamaica.
yes, smell it. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a fruit.
Yes, yes.
He's eating it. Coffee. He's going to devour it.
This is funny.
Yeah.
Now it's time to take a shower.
Sure. Of course, it was so hot, right?
Yeah. You don't have to planting.
Planting? Yes, but not down this side, all the way up the other side. But we won't be able to go over there now as this rain is coming.
Yeah, now it's raining. It's raining.
Yes.
It's beautiful. You're gonna send me your
Terribly. A whole lot of work. So anyways, let me just remove it. That's a spinach garden. You can take pieces of the spinach and eat it.
Spanish?
Spinach.
Spinach, yes.
Yes.
I know that. You can.
You know, right?
Good.
Spinach. Yeah, that's spinach.
They're growing.
Yeah, they run.
Quickly.
Yeah, they do. They do. They do. So all this is spinach.
Spanish. And you have kalalu.
Kalaloo, yes.
It's a bit.
It's similar, right?
Similar.
There you go. You got it. Bitter leaf.
Yeah.
Right. But there's a little difference between the bitter leaf and the kalaloo. The kalaloo the kalaloo is not as bitter as the bitter leaf. Here's the kalaloo.
It was the same.
No, this is the kalaloo. Yes. So
I know it's
it's
not the
different
same.
from right. It's different from bitter leaf.
This is bigger.
Right. The stalk of the bitter leaf is bigger. So this, and then we have the kale. That's the Russian, red Russian. That's the kale. Red Russian. That's the variety. That one is.
No tomato. No cucumber.
No cucumber.
No.
Lemons,
Lemon.
real lemons, and what else is there?
And this the
Aki.
aki.
Yes.
This is aki.
That's Aki. This is Aki as well. Yes.
Yes, this one I know. It's the spicy one.
Yes.
Every day you have
Awesome, right?
what is it?
Sweet basil. Sweet basil. Right, that's what it is. No. Let's go back here.
Eggs every day.
I'm going to show you the sour stuff back here. What is there? There's some kale again. Yes.
Where is the sour stuff?
You're holding on to it. Look right there. See that? You don't. Step back. Sit right here.
Yes, now. Yes, with the yeah.
Those are the fruit. There's a lot on it. But
You have to cook them or
no, they're ripe.
that's
They
all.
become ripe and then there's another sour stuff.
Yeah.
And of course banana. There's some plum right here. It's not in seed. And of course this now. Be careful. Watch your step. Right. That just got me. Alright. This is another variety of sour stuff.
Another one.
Yes. This is
Yeah.
you see one?
Yeah.
Right, another variety of sour
Yeah, it's
stuff.
different.
Sure is different. This is called locally it's called mountain stock. It's native of Africa. Yes.
You can
For
drink
its
it.
correct yes you do. Let me see, there's one right here. It's not ready yet. So if you notice it's different from the other one back there.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah. Yeah. Way different.
Color is different.
Color, the texture is different, everything. When this ripes, it becomes yellow on the inside, while that one is white on the inside. But the texture of it, after making it as well, is really different. organic. I'm supposed to be in the. Okay, there's another one called the sweet sauce.
Sweet sauce.
Yes. It is also referred to as sugar plum in some other Caribbean islands. Yeah. Is there anyone else can see?
What you do with that?
That one you eat just directly from the skin.
I understand that the pigs like it.
Right. And it's very sweet for leaf of fly. Right. Yes, leaf of fly. Hair, everything, yes. Like you just know.
I think we don't find that. Is it in India? In India?
Yes.
Sista Mika and Gracey.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Aye.
You're an IT youth.
That me I say.
Yeah, man.
I take a picture. After I go report the whole of Melon, them wanna come what's up. I look at him come see me that say a month ago the whole of Melon.
First me say for video me, I've given a blood clot million. Just a little blood clot. Yeah, look at
So now go on.
you know, look a girl that's nice, yeah. Bye.
I wonder. I saw now go on that farm. Blood clot. Man them plant melon. I eat.
Watch it. See that? I can still get it, man.
Hey, mommy, take out that piece of melon there.
This is okay.
See there? Man, them plant melon and I sweep it down. I taste it before me to blood clot. I taste my piece.
Yeah, man.
See, them can plant, but
Alright. See that big and pretty.
I good see them.
Right, now you are looking at them. Yeah.
Coming like a mucker. Sherry.
Yeah, all right.